Imagine a silent scream. That's the sound of a forest dying, gasping for breath under a blanket of smoke. This isn't just a spectacle of fire, it's a slow-motion tragedy unfolding across our planet. The recent wildfires in Los Angeles, like the devastating Archer and Sunset fires, are more than just a blaze. They are a stark reminder of the fragile balance of our ecosystems and the devastating impact of climate change. These infernos are not isolated incidents. They are a symptom of a larger, interconnected crisis. These infernos aren't just incinerating trees, they're poisoning our air, choking wildlife, and leaving behind a legacy of environmental scars. The smoke billowing across the sky isn't just a hazy backdrop, it's a cocktail of toxins, carbon monoxide, particulate matter, and volatile organic compounds that infiltrate our lungs and threaten our health. People with respiratory conditions are particularly vulnerable, experiencing difficulty breathing, coughing, and even more serious health complications. Beyond the immediate devastation, these fires have far-reaching consequences. The loss of vegetation disrupts the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Soil erosion increases, leading to further degradation of the land and impacting water quality. Wildlife habitats are destroyed, forcing animals to flee or perish, disrupting the food chain and threatening biodiversity. These fires are not merely a consequence of climate change, they are also a major contributor to it. The burning of vegetation releases massive amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, further fueling the climate crisis and creating a vicious cycle. As our planet warms, droughts become more frequent and intense, drying out vegetation and creating ideal conditions for wildfires to ignite and spread rapidly. The invisible scars of these fires run deep. They extend beyond the charred landscape, impacting our air, our health, and the delicate web of life. It's time to confront this crisis head-on. It's time to choose a future where forests thrive, not burn. We must transition to clean energy sources, reduce our carbon footprint, and support policies that protect our environment. The future of our planet depends on it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome science content. See you in the next one.